Hi class, my name is Sergio. I'm going to be talking about the moons. This is Io. It is the innermost moon. It has an iron nickel core. Its mantle is made out of rock and silica. Its surface is made out of silicon rock. This is Castello. It is the furthest moon and also second largest radius with 2,400 kilometers. It has a rocky, icy core, also has ice on its surface. This is Europa. It's the smallest moon with the radius of 1,500 kilometers. It has iron core, rocky mantle, salt water crust, and ice on its surface. This is Ganymede. It's the third closest moon, largest moon with 2,600 kilometers radius. It has iron core, rocky mantle, and subsurface ocean. I'm going to also talk about the orbits, about the moons of Jupiter, and the distance from the planet Jupiter. So Io is 422,000 kilometers from Jupiter. Europa is 671,000 kilometers from Jupiter. Ganymede is 1,100,000 kilometers from Jupiter, and Stello is 1,900,000 kilometers from Jupiter. So orbital period is the time it takes to orbit the planet of Jupiter, and Io takes 1.7 days. Europa takes 3.5 days. Ganymede takes 7 days, and Callisto takes 3.5 days. Okay, the orbital renaissance for Io and Europa and Ganymede have 1 and 2-4 renaissance. What that means is, as soon as Io orbits the planet one time, at the same time Europa orbits the planet twice, and for Ganymede orbits 4 times.
Hi class, I'll be talking about the moon's atmosphere and what's on the surface. And the first moon right here, it's Io. It's made out of silicate rock, and the atmosphere is made out of sulfur dioxide, and it's covered with mountains and volcanoes, and it's not very highly cratered. This moon right here is Europa. It's made of oxygen, ice on surface, underwater ocean, and it's not very highly cratered. Ganymede, it's made out of rock, atmosphere is ocean, and it's highly cratered. And this one right here, it's Callisto. It's carbon dioxide, highly cratered, and it's made out of ice and rock. Alright, the first part is making the craters, and we're going to use the CO2 gun to do that. Alright, so the next part is making the eruption. So that's Callisto right there. We know it's not tectonically active, so there's no firecrackers. And this is Europa. So basically we took the Mad Cat, broke it apart, and just stuck it on top, and a fountain right here. We just broke that one apart. It was a big one. And now we're gonna light it up with the axe and the lighter. So lava. So here's the lava. This is why Io and Europa doesn't have craters.